Winter weather is unpredictable and can put a damper on your holiday plans. DKI is here to help relieve you of any stress due to winter weather hazards. We are available 24/7, including all holidays, and will be on site within 2 hours of your emergency call to assess your damages and prepare a custom plan of action. Our rapid response helps return your property back to normal as quickly as possible to get you back on track for the holidays. If winter weather damage happens, DKI always has you covered.